In this video I'm going to show you some of the common selection tools in Photoshop. Although there are different methods or ways to do that, these are the most common tools that are readily available on your tools bar. First, Marquee Tool. There are 4 types of Marquee Tool: rectangular, elliptical, and single row and column marquees. Let us use the rectangular Marquee Tool. To use the rectangular Marquee Tool, just drag your cursor to any part of your image. If you want to lock the aspect ratio, hold Shift on your keyboard and drag your cursor. And if you want to make the center your starting point, hold Alt and drag your cursor, or Alt plus Shift to lock the aspect ratio. You may delete the selected area of your Marquee Tool or the elements outside your selected area. To do that, go to Select and choose Inverse. You may also copy and paste the content inside the selected area by using Ctrl plus C to copy, and Ctrl plus V to paste. Second, Lasso Tool. This selection tool will let you draw freely around the image that you want to select or to remove. To do that, place your cursor where your starting point will be. Then click and hold while dragging your mouse cursor around your image. Similar to the Marquee Tool, you can also delete, copy, and paste the element inside the selected area. Third, Polygonal Lasso Tool. To access this tool, right-click on the Lasso tool to open a mini floating window, then choose Polygonal Lasso Tool. To use this tool, you need to point and click on the area that you want to select until you reach the starting point to close the selection. You may also create a perfectly straight and a 45-degree angle selection. To do that, all you need to do is to hold Shift on your keyboard while doing the point and click. But once you release your Shift key, you will just go back to a regular polygon selection. Fourth, Magnetic Lasso Tool. This tool is located right under the Polygonal Lasso tool. To use this tool, all you have to do is click once to be your starting point. Then just move the pointer along the path or the image that you want to select. The Magnetic Lasso tool will automatically snap onto the object that you want to select. To remove some unnecessary points, just hit Delete on your keyboard. Fifth, Object Selection Tool. This tool simplifies the way to select an object or some part or section of an object in an image. There are 2 modes for using this tool, rectangle and lasso. Let us choose the lasso for now. Just draw a line around your object and release once you have reached the starting point. And Photoshop will automatically snap the marquee line around your object. You may just apply, select and mask to properly clean your selection. Sixth, Quick Selection Tool. This selection tool is probably the fastest way to select a subject or object in your image. You can see this tool under the Object Selection tool. All you need to do is to point and click on the object that you want to select. You may decrease the brush size to reach those small spaces. And last is the Magic Wand. This tool is one of the oldest selection tools in Photoshop. A magic wand is mostly used to quickly select areas of the image to make it easier to edit. The best usage of this tool is mostly on solid colors. But you can play around with the tolerance to control how much of the photo that you want to select. The higher the value of the tolerance, the more color it will add to the selected area. Let's select Magic Wand and set the tolerance at around 50. All we need to do is to click on the area that you want to edit. That's it. The 7 most common selection tools that you use in Photoshop. If you have any suggestions, comments, or ideas, please feel free to write them in the description below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.